नमस्कार सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। हम सब उन भाग्यशाली व्यक्तियों में से हैं जिन्होंने स्वतंत्र भारत में जन्म लिया। कोई धन देश की मिट्टी से बढ़कर नहीं है। इस देश
बैठो यार, तुम लोग इधर उधर कर रहे हो।
ऐसा कहा जाता है कि जो समाज अपने देश के हित में अपने इतिहास से नहीं सीखता वह ज्यादा दिन तक अपना अस्तित्व नहीं बचा सकता। आइए अपने बच्चों को अपने महान वीरों की गाथाएं सुनाते हैं।
मैं भी हूँ इधर।
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. Maybe someday you'll have it your way. Maybe someday it'll all work out. Until then, nope, a nope.
बच्चे कल के नागरिक बनिए, देश का भार अपने
धूप नहीं लगेगा, धूप नहीं लगेगा, लगा लो।
what this school has given them has taken them to great heights. Some people are, at least one third of my classmates are all in US and different countries. Okay, and all of them are not toppers, but they all achieved great heights. they are all very comfortable in their life, doing very well. Some of them are at a global level, they are doing very well. Some people in Vietnam, some in Australia. So it's what I'm trying to say is that the school is great. This gives you the basis that you need to grow in life. I would like to. I saw one of the performances here where, in fact, the speeches which were given by the three students. Anokhi, I think one was in Hindi, right? So excellent public speaking skills. One of the things which she said about caste, creed, religion is something that I learned when she spoke about that, because it reminded me of an anecdote which happened when I was in 10th class here. Some of the parents might know. When I was in 10th class, that was some of the parents might remember, there was a Mandal Commission protest and all going on around all students, colleges. They were all very agitated about the changes which came in the education system and all that. And we didn't know the background as students, but just because it was happening outside, there was so much political push around that, and a lot of talk about caste, creed, religion, etc. We got motivated to do a protest. I don't know if Malcolm remembers. We got motivated to do a protest in this very school. All of us, all students, we just got out of the rooms, we gathered out in front of the gate and all that. But we never knew what it was and why it was, just because somebody told us. And again, when she spoke of that very clearly, that it doesn't matter what caste, what creed, what religion we are, it doesn't matter. It is what ethos we learn here in school and how we take it forward to build our character and become contributing citizens of the country. That is what matters. And I think that was exactly what all the three speakers were trying to tell. So I just wanted to quote this from my memories of the school, that we realized when Madhimam came back to us and spoke to us, no, this is not what you are supposed to do. What you're supposed to do is learn, get knowledge, get the right skills, grow up to be citizens, good citizens who contribute to the welfare of the country. You may go into different careers, you may go into different streams, you may go to different countries, but always carry this sense of pride in the country and for what you do and how you contribute to the welfare of the country and the society, right? In addition to this, I would like to narrate one of the anecdotes from my army service. I suppose you would be interested and motivated from that. I have had the opportunity and privilege to work at Siachen, which is, I suppose you would know, is the highest and coldest battlefield in the world. Right now, there may not be hostilities or active firing, but when I was posted there, around 28,000 feet, right? 28,400, I suppose. And the place I was posted was 22,400. The temperature there was minus 52 degrees. Okay, and it seems very humanly impossible to live in such places and then fight against an enemy. Okay, but what helps us continue, what helps us do the good job there is that we have people like you who are motivated, who are looking forward to grow in this country and to do the best for everyone. And another thing which I learned from there, one experience that I had there was, I had a team of just 7 people on that post. There was everyday firing including small arms and artillery shelling. it used to happen every day, and every day was a moment to rejoice because we are alive that day. And whether we get what we want or not, we used to be happy, we used to be cheerful, we used to enjoy the team camaraderie, and results come across, just accept it, okay? Everything good will come to you when you lose your fear, right? So I just wanted to say all those people who are going to attempt for the 10th class exam coming up in this year, do your best, prepare well in advance, and you will definitely. Right. So learn to make decisions, informed decisions, gather all the information required, and then take informed decisions. This will help you all through your life. There will be so many situations where you need to take decisions. It is also a trait of a leader. So if you want to be a leader, you need to get this skill for yourself. Okay? And team skills. Basically, I'm talking of working in a team, being a leader, building a team, understanding people who are around you, how you can work with them. This is another very important skill that you need to learn. And right now, I feel I'm not aware of the latest syllabus that goes on in the school, but I feel financial literacy, doing your personal finance, about your savings, how you would like to earn more money, how you would like to save money. These things are very important. Next is health, your own health, for upkeep of health, whatever you need to.
आ रहा हो।
बहुत गड़बड़ कर रहे हैं ऑटो में भी। वो ऑटो में बैठते ना, मेरा ऑटो तो पीछे आके देने को था मारने, ऑटो के पास भाग के आ रहा है, गिरे तो
बहुत परेशान है।
भागा रहे थे ना, लगे तो गिर जाएगा।
वो क्या अंकल क्या बोल रहे हैं? शिकायत हो रही थी
बाकी ऑटो में ऑटो के पीछे
यहाँ आ गई थी।
Hey boys,
come here.
कल से कर बन।
तनु और ओम कहाँ गए? ए चल रहे। चलो चलो। कहीं ना आवत है।